So today I'm finally fishing. We started this day off with this nice speck. I think we just hit a bite on that too. I was catching them last night here on plastic, so I decided to come back here with some minnows, and here's what we started the day off with. Speck on! This one's a black one. The first one was a white one. Whenever we make our videos on do black or white crappies taste better. We got a hungry one. A nice green sunfish. I can't believe you ate a minnow that. We got a ditch pickle in the road, and we're trying to catch one out of this dam. I don't know why it's this entertaining, but I'm trying to catch them out of the outflow of the dam because the fish are sitting in the outflow of the dam. I think there's a bunch of specks in there. They keep hitting at me and fishing in there. Nice little white speck out of the dam. Out fishing the pilings, like I'm barely hooking these things. That one's not very big. There's another speck though. Fish on, that is a dink. That one's a blackie, but we need to let that one go. Definitely not a keeper. Another speck. I think there's a whole bunch of specks up here. Let's see actually. Nice whites. Holy fuck. Another nice speck. Another speck. So anyways, I've been having issues with my batteries getting charged, and then I just ordered a new charger for my camera and some new batteries. I think some of my batteries are junk. So this video is just kind of a bunch of short segments of me fishing. For some reason, the crappies were sitting in this dam structure where I was catching them the day before. When I moved to the brush, I caught a bunch more of them in like 5 minutes. So I made a couple more videos fishing at this lake because the bite's been excellent for crappies. Kind of spoiling what some of my next videos are. But anyways, this day I did well. I caught probably like 10 or 12 crappies, a few bluegills, a bass, a couple sunfish. It was a good day of fishing. Unfortunately, this lake is closed to fishing now, which sucks. This property is only open for bow hunting now, so I'll be back here later. See you on the next video.